The ELEO single-use tourniquet could not be easier to apply. No tying of knots to secure. Hold the hinge lid in one hand and place on the patient's arm. Pull the soft silicone band outwards and around the arm and pull it down onto the center of the buckle, closing the lid to lock it. Gauge the tightness by observing the integrated stretch guides. With a gentle finger touch, ELEO opens smoothly and easily without shaking the arm. The ELEO tourniquets are supplied in a narrow dispenser box, conveniently shaped to fit onto the phlebotomist's trolley. These single-use soft silicone tourniquets are designed to reduce patient-to-patient transfer of contamination by dangerous pathogens, which are spread by the repeated handling of reusable tourniquets, even when gloves are worn. ELEO, easy lock, easy open single-use tourniquets. For further particulars, or to discuss a possible distributor licensing agreement, contact the manufacturer shown here.